Alright, hey there class. Today we are going to look at how to start working with JavaScript. JavaScript is a very powerful programming language that allows us to give the websites that we build the ability to slide around, bounce around, fade in and out, and all sorts of other cool stuff like that. And the first thing that we'll do isn't going to be very cool and actually could be fairly annoying. Um, but it's a useful function and it's a good one to learn at the beginning here. So go ahead and get your markup set up like this so that you got a title and you've got an H1, and this paragraph tag you don't necessarily need to copy, but it's going to relate to what we talk about with the placement of where our JavaScript goes. And traditionally JavaScript goes at the top of our documents. And open up with a script tag and you close with the script tag, and that tells your browser, Firefox, Chrome, i.e. if you're unfortunate, that it should be switching to reading JavaScript now. And we're going to type something very simple in JavaScript. We're just going to write a single function like this. So we're saying alert, heyo. And if we go and we look at that, what we should see is something pop up that says heyo, and the page loads. So to really see the effect of this, what I'm going to do is I'm going back to the labs folder and I'm going to click on JavaScript alert. And notice that this Heyo alert box comes up before the page even loads. And when I click OK, then the page loads. So that relates to this question here. Does the alert box load before or after this text? And the answer is before. It's because this is placed before. If we cut this out and we paste it down here, text will come up and then that, but it's a little tricky to see properly from there. So if we click on it here, notice that the page loads and then the box pops up. So ladies and gentlemen, right there you have it. That is your introduction to JavaScript. If it was a more formal process, we would call this a Hello World exercise, which is basically learning how to simply output whatever language it is that we're working with onto the screen. So there you have it, simple JavaScript. Go ahead and get that working in your browsers.